We are the clay, and thou art potter, and we are all the work of thy hand. Isaiah 64:8. How can we expect to realize God in the emptiness of space if we have refused to see God in those we meet? And how can we find God in those we meet and in the events that transpire around us unless we have first discovered God at the center of our own being? We cannot. The starting point is at the center of our own being. When we awaken to the divine within us, it will reach out and embrace everything around us, and it will discover the same presence in people and in events and in all nature. For God is not separate from what He is doing. The divine life is in everyone and in everything. This is the secret that Jesus discovered. This is why He was able to speak as no other person ever spoke. This is why He was able to perform the miracles of love and healing, and in so doing, prove a fact so simple, so fundamental, but so powerful that people stand in awe before it. The simple fact that God is right where we are.